We've seen an increase in the amount of applications for a mortgage by as much as 30% from 1 week to another. Now I think the 30-year fixed rate loan is at 6.35. So guys, get in there, jump into the market if you're looking to buy, because your competition is going to drive up prices on you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am back, as I promised, with your numbers for the condo market here in the Seattle area. Last week, I gave you the numbers for the single-family residential market. And back then, you might recall that I told you that the market is basically being the same thing. It continues to be very repetitive for what we've seen since the start of the year. When you combine single-family residential homes and condos for the month of August, we saw an increase, just like we saw at the start of the year, increase of inventory, but buyers are not playing that game just yet. I'm going to mention something in just a short bit, but we did see a drop in the amount of sales by as much as 6%. And when it comes year over year, August 2025 to 2024, going back 12 months, there's only a slight increase, 0.8% to be exact. The median sales price was $650 for August 2025. Back in 2024, it was $645. Now, coming into the condo market, you guys know a lot of people complain that HOAs, they suck. I get it, but they are a little bit more affordable. And another thing is a days on market. It's a tough market, the condo market, if you're looking to sell one, because they tend to stay on the market a lot longer. But pay attention, if you're looking to buy a home, sell your home rather, you might get a little bit more attention, because we're seeing an increase. You guys might know that the Fed cut rates by a quarter of a point. So most likely, always that happens, market rates follow right behind. And in fact, we've seen an increase in the amount of applications for a mortgage by as much as 30% from 1 week to another. Now I think the 30-year fixed rate loan is at 6.35. So guys, get in there, jump into the market if you're looking to buy, because your competition is going to drive up prices on you. Okay, without further ado, here's your condo numbers. I'm going to start off, as I always do, with King County. Now, the market for King County, the median sales price for the month of August for a condo was $550,000. When you look at the month prior, that number was at $540,000. Another interesting number when you compare, remember, this is year over year. August 2025, August 2024. So here you see the median sales price. It was an increase year over year, almost 6%. When you look at new listings, it's 742, but the month prior, that number was 831. Closed sales, you've seen right here, 465. The month prior was 464. So kind of, you do see the trend, especially it's also seasonal, right? We are in August, so it kind of follows, but yet we are still seeing an increase when it comes to inventory from month to month for the year 2025. It just continues to increase, but again, that might change sometime soon. Inventory, you look at right here, inventory is 2045. The month prior was 2126. Month supply of inventory, 4.5. Month prior was 4.5. Remember, guys, I've mentioned so many times before, a healthy market, according to the experts, is 4 to 6 months worth of inventory. Moving on, Seattle market. This is what the NWMLS considers to be the Seattle market. Up here about Lake City, there you see Magnolia, West Seattle, Lake Ridge, and there's an area right here that I'm going to focus on in a short bit in regards to the people. If you're looking to sell your home, you got some pretty good news. I'm going to start off first with the Seattle area. The map that I just showed you, there you see the median sales price year over year, right? Compared to August 2024, median sales price is $595, an increase from 12 months prior by as much as 7%. This number just last month, $550. So there was more interest in condos in the Seattle area, or at least the high price one, because sometimes obviously the higher price a condo is, it can really skew the numbers a lot. Active listings is 1,000, an increase by as much as 24%. And when you look at the active listings a month prior, it was only 1056. Pending sales 211. Pending sales 30 days prior was at 240. So there's a lot more activity, but again, it's just seasonal. July Things are still kind of a little bit strong. August, they kind of fade away. And then again, September and October, there's still a lot of action. Then November, December, things just fall off the cliff. Okay. Sold, amount of units sold, 193. The month prior is 240. Again, following the trend, inventory 518. Moving on to the east side. Here's your east side. Again, starting from Bellevue all the way towards, you go down Highway 2 and you're getting very close to Leavenworth. Here are your numbers for the condo market for the east side. Right here is the median sales price, $717,500. It increased by as much as 17%. The month prior, this was at 629. Now, a big reason this number really jumped up is because of one condo that was sold in downtown Bellevue. 3 bedrooms, 3.25 bathrooms, 3,000 square feet at the One Lincoln Tower, which is in downtown Bellevue. It's a beautiful building. How much do you think? $1 million? No. $2 million? No. $3 million? No. We're talking about a condo. $4 million? No. $5 million, just under $5 million for a condo for 3 bedrooms, and we're talking about 3,000 square feet. There's some people with money out there. Okay, so total active listings right here, 625. Active listings was 654. Pending sales in the east side was 188 the previous month, and we're looking at the amount sold 174. Amount closed the month prior 194. It's going to be interesting really to see what the month of September, the numbers are going to come for the month of September to see if it continues with seasonal trends. But now with rates going down, as I said, again, 6.35, I think it's a 30-year fixed rate average nationwide, 6.5. It's going to be interesting, those numbers. And we're expecting maybe another cut by the Fed by the end of the year. So it's going to get crazy out there. And you buyers out there, don't say I didn't warn you. Okay, so here you go. The one area I'm going to focus my spotlight on, an area this month is, the 2 prior months I went ahead and I showed you the 2 areas where people suffered the most, where the median sales price dropped by a lot, by a significant lot year over year. Well, I didn't want to be Mr. Doom and Gloom. I want to be a little bit more positive. So I'm going to show some love and some positivity, throw some positivity and some congrats to people living in one area of Seattle that saw the biggest increase. I'm not even Seattle, King County, the biggest increase in the median sales price year over year. The area? Southeast Seattle. So we're here at I-90 and it takes you all the way down to the Lake Ridge area, which is a fantastic little area. Yes, believe it or not, around Rainier Beach and of course Seward Park. Now, the number for the median sales price for that area was 655, an increase by as much as 72%. Year over year, it's the largest jump in King County during that period, 12-month period. Now, this kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of got not a lot of huge amount of numbers here because, if there's only one unit sold at 3 million and the number's 3 million overall, doesn't really give you a good idea compared to other ones that maybe there's been more activity. Let's say 50 units sold in compared to 1 unit sold in another area. So you'll see why I'm still using these numbers. An increased total active listings of 111, pending sales 100%, sold 50%, and then you see inventory by as much as 633. Okay. Now, what I'm going to show you right here is we're going to compare it. Why am I comparing it for the month of July? So all the green numbers are the month of July. The red ones are August. So blue, red here, August, green, July. These 2 numbers, 655 in August, 715 in July, an increase 86. These 2 numbers, the highest increase in the amount of median sales price year over year from one month to another. July, they led King County, and now in the month of August, they also let King County. The one area that's really kind of helped boost this number, there's an area right about right here around Seward Park, and the area Hillman City is right here. So unit sold for $1.2 million. Yeah, right here. 1.2. I know some of you guys go, really? Yes, 1.2. Columbia City's fantastic. I don't care what anybody says. I think it's a fantastic area, guys. Hey, guys, if you want me to focus on your area, please leave it down below in my comments. I promise I'll get it to you. I'll put those numbers and give you a little shout out in my next video. Till then, guys, if you're looking to buy a home, please jump into that market because rates are going down and your competition's all excited. And at the end, they're going to stick it to you. Good luck.